Vertex, your trusted woven garment supplier. Pan Pacific Sonaga Hotel and the Sark Fountain Dhaka are just a few steps on foot to the corporate liaison office of Vertex Group. From here, only about 15 kilometers to the west, at Tetulchhara, Hematpur, Savar, in this calm, tranquil and splendid nature around. On a 5-acre land premise, this huge multi-storied building houses the corporate headquarters and production base of Vertex RMG division, a high-quality woven garment supplier from Bangladesh. It has got another factory in Mirpur, Dhaka. Designed with all contemporary and ahead-of-the-time factory specifications, this building's 32,500 square meters of floor space now accommodates 34 lines altogether, complying with all compliance requirements. Conforming to all provisions of the Factory Acts prevailing in the country, Vertex ensures an appropriate working condition. It provides logistics to carry its employees and staff members. Now, about 4,000 very carefully chosen workers are working here. Security is a top priority. Round the clock, the premise is centrally monitored on a CCTV network. To ensure hygienic, healthy as well as safe environment, Vertex never compromises to afford space and resources. Certified doctors and nurses are always here to attend the workers in time of need. Selected employees and staff members are regularly groomed to help ensure prompt and primary medical attention on the production floors. Working parents can leave their children here at this well-secured facility, located safely away from the factory building, but just within the factory premises. Vertex is always very much cautious about maintaining its firefighting systems on alert. It arranges these trainings regularly. Evacuation drill is practiced on a regular schedule to make sure all of its people on floors would escape any fire incident, if it happens at all, through the very wide as well as obstruction-free exit ways, just within a couple of minutes in a very orderly manner and avoiding any panic and stampede situation. And of course, wages and other financial benefits are invariably on time, because Vertex views an appropriate working condition and motivational boosts are preconditions to bringing out the best productivity of the organization as a whole. Vertex has captive gas-burn power plant to guarantee uninterrupted and more than sufficient power supply to all of its operations anytime. Its boiler recovers the wastage gas emitted from the generators and generates steam for the plant in an environment-friendly way. However, ever since its inception back in 1992, Vertex has mastered itself in the woven segment only, and thus has developed an exclusive and inexhaustible expertise in making all sorts of shirts, blouses and tops for men's, boys, ladies and girls categories, all in formal, casual and fashion ranges. Under bond, raw materials inventory is maintained conforming to all of the smartest safety measures and inventory control models to be on time on the delivery schedule and maintain the costing efficiency optimally. Before issuing to the production floors, the shade of every lot of fabrics is verified with shade matching system, and fabric inspection is done yard by yard invariably. Vertex possesses the hottest sample development system, augmented with craftsmanship. Vertex knows it must have to have tailoring excellence, optimally minimizing wastages of fabrics and other resources. So, it uses the most advanced computer-aided designing and marking system also. It ensures each piece of apparel it makes is an identical reproduction of the approved samples. Vertex always uses the world's best state-of-the-art technology and machinery of globally reputed brands. It has got some special types of machines like vertical trimmer, collar notcher, Kansai Special, feed of the arm, DDL 9000 and many others. Vertex's production floor means continuous quality surveillance that targets, at present, at an AQL level of less than 1.5, but ultimately aims at reaching virtually the zero rejection and redo level within a couple of years from now on. Its apparel finishing section has the specialized machines like thread sucking, steam press irons with vacuum tables, auto folding, tagging, needle detecting, and many more. To facilitate the valued buyers in conducting quality inspection and compliance audit, Vertex provides adequate, secured, and cozy spaces, as well as other necessary facilities in the factory premise. Presently, Vertex is producing on average 45,000 pieces of very high-quality woven garments every day. Yes, it has successfully thrived to attain perfection and have the desired level of organizational dexterity, which ensures a clone-like uniformity in its end products, ready-made garments. Vertex shipped over 7 million pieces of woven apparels to its overseas buyers in 2008, and now targets to cross 14 million pieces mark by the end of 2009, despite the recent global recession. Vertex maintains on-time delivery schedule, keeping commitments and rendering height of professionalism. And therefore, Vertex happily puts on record that so far it has been able to work with Tesco, Carrefour, Penneys stores, Primark, Armand Thierry, Peacocks, Ituri, Alexandra, Men's Warehouse, and many others. Winning its buyers' trust, Vertex is planning another exponential growth further in the near future. Expansion work is ahead on schedule. Having completed the expansion in progress soon, this production base would be integrated both horizontally and vertically. Altogether, Vertex's production capacity would nearly be doubled within 1 year from now on.
Yes, our valued buyers trust us for our quality, commitment, and the value we trade off. We too
reciprocate business in win-win terms sustained in a shared approach. That's assured here at Vertex Concerns.